What makes a gun illegal or legal in the state of California?
Well, in California, the first question is whether it's center fire or not, which is a fancy term for larger caliber, or the old 22s we all know from childhood. So a first gun here that I was going to show you is actually a AR-15, so it is the same base gun, but up top it's actually a 22. And so that allows it to have features that otherwise it might not be allowed to have.
So 22 means that's the caliber of bullet that it
that's
fires.
the caliber of the ammunition. So it's a 22 LR, a long rifle in vernacular. But so this has a pistol grip, it has a telescoping stock, it has a flash hider, and it has a detachable magazine. And can remove just by using your finger.
Gotcha. So show me some of these other weapons and explain to me, why are they so much more powerful than this one?
So the main difference is in the round itself. So the round's size is actually the same. Now this one has a very specific feature called a bullet button. The bullet button changes out the magazine release so that you can't actually release the magazine using your finger. You have to use a tool.
Can you put that same long magazine into this?
And that's the other major difference, is that you can't. So I can't actually take a 30-round magazine and place it in this weapon. If I did, that's actually a felony under California law.
So right now, what you're holding in your hand is perfectly legal under California law, but if you were to put that long clip in there, that would be a felony.
Right. Put the wrong magazine in, and it's actually a felony because it is a non-detachable semi-automatic rifle with 30 rounds.
But it's perfectly legal for you to be here with me with all of these parts on the table. It's just a question of, if you were to make that decision to put that in there, suddenly you'd be guilty of a
That's
felony.
right. So this is almost Legos in a sense, from an ease of change. So from that perspective, you can actually take the upper receiver off. Now, if I were to put the lower receiver from the 22 on this upper, that's also a felony. Because you would now have a detachable magazine, because you remember I can press the magazine release,
right,
pistol grip, and any other features on this